Tenant retention is a money saver. It's actually a money maker. When you can keep a great tenant in place, you'll cut down on vacancy costs, turnover costs, and all the stress that goes with marketing a home and finding a new resident. But how can you convince them to stay? Here are some ideas. Number 1, screen for long-term tenants. Don't rent to tenants who change their address every 6 months. The screening process can show you which tenants like to settle in and renew their lease agreements. Number 2, be a good landlord. When you provide a positive rental experience, tenants have little incentive to leave. Respond to maintenance, remember their names, be a resource. Number 3, gifts go a long way. Do nice, memorable things for your tenants. A welcome gift when they move in, for example, will get your relationship off to a great start. Number 4, be smart with rent increases. Your tenants will surely expect a rental increase when they renew their lease agreement. Offer a smaller increase when they agree to sign another lease instead of going month to month. And make sure your increase is in line with the market and any rent control restrictions. Make tenant retention a priority and watch your ROI increase. Need some help holding on to tenants? We're here for that. Contact us at Action Properties.